Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and today I'm very excited to show you a great way, which is one of the first ways that I started out back in the day when I started out online, where you can make on average $100 per day or more, and it doesn't involve you having a product, it doesn't involve any investment. Okay, it's a totally free method. It doesn't require any experience or technical skills or product or anything like that, or email list. All right, but before we dive into all of that, let me invite you to click on the link right here below in the description box so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online. Now, also make sure to click on the red button below to subscribe to my channel and select the bell icon so you can be notified every single time I launch a new video on different ways how you can earn from home and work online. And don't forget to like this video and feel free to drop any comment if you have any questions. I'll do my best to get back to you. All right, so without further ado, let's get right to it. Now, this method involves 5 simple steps, and I'm going to walk you through all 5 steps in detail, so bear with me. Okay, now, first of all, we're going to be earning commissions through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically, very briefly, selling other people's products in exchange for a commission, and basically digital products. Okay, no shipping, nothing like that involved. The marketplace that we're going to be using, the affiliate network, it's going to be ClickBank because it's one of the easiest networks to apply and to join. Basically, I'm going to have a link below in the description box where this is the ClickBank sign up page. Okay, you just complete all your informations, next step, and you submit. Okay, and you wait to get approved. But it's one of the easiest websites to get approved. Now, in case they do not accept your country or something like that, there are hundreds, thousands of affiliate networks. If you just go to Google, type affiliate networks, best affiliate networks, you're going to find so many. Okay, but this is the easiest one. So we come to ClickBank. Now I'm in the marketplace, so I just clicked on marketplace and I sort by gravity. Okay, gravity is going to give us the most popular products. The first step is we need to find a product. So we scroll down here and we're looking for a product that will earn us more than $50 per sale. So we can make at least 2 sales per day and we can make $100. Okay, so I'm just scrolling down to find an offer like that, which earns more than $100 per sale. And also I prefer also to find products that have also recurring commissions. So let's search here. All right, look at this one, Ted's Woodworking. So Ted's Woodworking is paying on average $59.80 per sale. And you also see that it's got recurring commissions, rebill. So let me just zoom in here so you can see. The gravity is 114, which is it's very high. Average per sale, we're getting 74%, which is very good. Okay, and then there is an average rebill total $4.55. All right, so there is a rebill on that one, which is good. So somebody can buy and you can still be earning commissions from that. If you want to see the page, you just click on there and we can see the sales page. All right, so you can look at that. Basically here it says, announcing the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plants. All right, so basically somebody will buy this, they're going to get 16,000 woodworking plants. Now, it's good before you recommend a product that you actually know that it's good, it's legit, it's working. Personally, whatever I recommend, I always try it first. But nevertheless, this is just an example. So let's say we're going to promote this. So that's step 1, we found the product. Now, step 2 is we're going to click on promote right here. And we're going to get this, we're going to click on create here. And we're going to get this URL, this affiliate link. All right, so now we want to shorten that URL. So we're just going to go here. We're going to type tiny URL, enter. It's going to bring us to this website, tinyurl.com. I'm just going to paste my URL there. I'm going to click on make tiny, and there it is. All right, so I can copy that URL here. It's shortened the URL. So if I go in a new browser and I just paste that there, it should take me to that offer. There you go. It took me to that offer through the shortened URL. So I'm going to just place that URL here on my clipboard and I'm going to show you what all this is and what we're going to do. All right, so Next, as we have shortened the URL, which is step 2, we need to find the traffic. We need to find highly targeted traffic of people who are interested in this offer. So how are we going to do that? There are 2 ways. Okay, very briefly, I'm going to show you both ways. Super easy. One way is you're going to put quotes, and we're going to put our main keyword, which is woodworking plus blogs. Okay, we're going to find blogs that talk about woodworking, and we're going to open up these and look at the different blogs here and the recommended sites. All right, so we're going to browse through these, all right, and see them. And basically, we're going to come here to a blog that we have found. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for different posts that has a lot of comments. Okay, so for example, this one. This one has 30 comments. All right, so I'm going to just scroll down here, and all right, so this one's got quite a few comments. It's a new post, as you see. All right, October 14th, 2017, a lot of comments coming in. And what we want to do here, I'm going to show you another very, very cool strategy. Okay, one of them is just searching. The other one is, you're going to get these in your inbox. I'm going to show you how. So we're looking for blogs that are getting a lot of traffic. So what we're going to do here is we're going to post a valuable comment. Okay, we're not going to spam. Okay, this doesn't work if you spam. If you spam, it doesn't work. Okay, it's not just spamming your links everywhere. You need to provide a valuable post and indirectly, let's say, recommend your product. All right, so this is obviously a website that is one of the top woodworking websites, so it's getting a ton of traffic, and you can see also from the comments here. So you're directly, for free, positioning yourself and your link in front of the hottest traffic, people who are really, really interested in this kind of stuff. So what you're going to do basically is, it's good if you go through this article and get an idea of what this guy is talking about here. And then you write up a short comment. For example, thanks for the amazing post. This really takes woodworking to the next level and can help anyone become a pro. It's just an example. All right. You want to really thank them for the great post. You want to play a little bit with their ego, right? If I can say that way. And then I just say something specific to the article. Okay, so something specific that shows that I've read the article and I'm also providing some value. Okay, the more value you can provide with your post, that doesn't have to be, don't need to write a whole essay, but the more value you provide and the more you help, the better it's going to work. All right, so I say the way this piece is designed truly makes it very easy to build and also has great style. I would personally also add to it XXX, whatever you want to say, to give it some more functions. But hey, that's my opinion. I personally got started about 2 months ago with woodworking and already creating my own projects, and did it all thanks to the help of a set of 16,000 woodworking plans that are so easy to follow. Literally anyone can do this. I'm sure this will provide tremendous value to anyone that sees this. You can check it out here. Okay, so it's not just buy this. Okay, it's a little post. It makes sense. It's providing some value, giving an idea, my own idea, and a tip or whatever. Try to provide value and post that link there. Okay, so you're just gonna copy that here. You're gonna come here and you're gonna post that comment. You must be logged in, it says, to post a comment. Okay, I'm not gonna log in. You need to register an account. So you're gonna put your username, email. This basically just needs username, email. You can see the star here. And select the state, password, and then complete the captcha, and you create an account and you can post. Okay, now I'm not going to show this website because this is just a website. This is how it is. Other websites, you don't need to create an account. Usually you can post through your Facebook profile, through Twitter, through Google Plus sometimes. It depends. So it's a lot easier. All right, so you're going to post that comment there. Now, then you're going to go to you're going to look at all the biggest woodworking websites, blogs, and you're going to do the same thing. All right, valuable content. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go to, the next step is you want to go to, okay, this is the part of finding the blogs. All right, so you're going to go to Google Alerts. Just type here Google Alerts. And we are gonna go to Google Alerts right here. Let me just put it in English because that's in Greek right now. All right, Google Alerts. So then we're gonna put here woodworking. So what this does, okay, automatically as I put woodworking, we get some posts here. What this does is when you do that and you create an alert, Google is gonna inbox you every single time there is a post or anything on the internet related to woodworking. Okay, something new that came out and is really hot and is doing well and is getting good traffic, they're gonna send it to you. They're gonna notify you. So you're just gonna get all this new, fresh content delivered to your inbox. All you need to do is just click there and you just check it out. And if it's good, just post. Let me just show you a quick example. All right, so I'm here in my Gmail account and you can see all these Google Alerts. So here it tells me, if I click here, it says that we subscribe to Google Alerts, and automatically it already sends us a few websites. So you can click here, for example, retired cabinet maker squashes record. Obviously, we can make it a little bit more targeted. How to, I don't know, woodwork, I don't know what you call it. Oregon declares, okay, these are maybe not exactly the ones that we need. So we might put an alert, for example, for the woodworking blocks. Okay, woodworking network, there it is. So this is how you're gonna, okay, and you can comment here. There it is. All right, so you're gonna put different alerts with different keywords. So how to create, I don't know, woodworking, whatever, woodworking blogs, or create as many alerts with related keywords, and you're gonna get these delivered to your inbox. So all you need to do, just look at your inbox, find whatever you want to, where you want to post, just have a brief look at it, create a great comment, post. That's gonna get you free traffic. It's not just free traffic, it's highly targeted traffic, because traffic is not, when you just want to promote an offer, is not just sending any kind of traffic to an offer. It's not just spamming your links everywhere. This is traffic that's highly interested in what we are selling here. Okay, what we are promoting, because these people who are reading these blogs, obviously they're interested in woodworking. So if you give them an offer, this one looks quite good actually. A program that gives you 16,000 woodworking plans. You can see here the plans. So they've got the step-by-step on how to make 16,000 things. I don't know what here, from trucks, from I don't know, chairs or cupboards or whatever, for just $67, and they've got the whole, let's say, plans on how to do them. That's great value, I think. Okay, again, I don't know this product. So you're positioning your link in front of many people who are highly interested in this. So you're getting free traffic. Now, you don't expect that you're going to start getting, on average 2 sales a day from day one. Obviously, you need to work at it. Okay, you need to start posting your link in quite a few blogs. But keep in mind that many times when you're going to hit a blog that's getting a lot of traffic, some post is going to be getting a lot of comments, a lot of traffic, then that one post could bring you quite a few sales. So what applies here is like what applies to almost anything, the 80-20 rule. If you haven't heard of 80-20 rule, is Pareto's principle. So 80% of your effort is gonna result in 20% of the results, okay, more or less. All right, so a few blogs are going to generate your most sales. So that's it, okay, with this very simple strategy. Again, you can do this also in forums, okay, you can post your link also in forums. Again, don't spam, okay, make sure before you start putting your links there in a forum especially that you provide value, okay, you give some great comments, some great tips, and gradually, you might give some link, okay, don't just spam your links because you're going to get banned. So if you got any value from this video, smash the like button for me, subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this, and select the bell icon so you can be notified every time we launch a new video on different ways how you can earn from home and work online. And don't forget to click on that link in the description box so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online. Thank you very much for watching this video. Talk to you soon on our next video. Bye-bye.